In this quick video, let's activate the Mega Menu feature in Elementor without any add-on plugins. Then, I'm going to show you some basic steps to create your Mega Menu. Please note that this video assumes you already know how to create an Elementor header layout template. To start, go to the Elementor settings. Under the Features tab, go to the Menu option. Set this to Active. Now, the menu requires both the container and nested elements features. Let's set both of them to active. These features will help us with the layout of our Mega Menu. I'm going to reload my editor. Under the Widgets tab, let's add the menu. I'm going to remove the WordPress menu widget for our new menu. So instead of setting up the menu items on the WordPress Appearance tab, you can directly do it here. For the first menu item, I'm going to add Home. Set the link URL to dynamic tags, internal URL, and set the page to Home. For the second menu item, I'm going to add the Services menu. I'm going to enable the drop-down content so we can build the Mega Menu content. Click on the menu drop-down item to show the content. Here, we can start building. In this example, I'm going to add the Tabs widget. Inside a tab item, I'm going to add a new container and then add the icon list widget. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, for the tablet and mobile view, let's align this toggle icon to the right. Thank you for watching.